Hi, greetings from Qatar in the Middle East. This is going to be a very short review of the Leatherman Z REX seatbelt cutter that's marketed primarily for first responders. Now, of course, Leatherman are more commonly known for multi-tools like this Leatherman Charge, but they also do mission-specific tools, and this particular one is marketed more for, on their website, more for ambulance men, paramedics, firefighters who may need to cut somebody out of a vehicle or cut a strap or a piece of webbing. However, in the skydiving and parachuting business, there's not a lot of mission-specific tools for us because it's a small market, so a lot of repurposing goes on. Most parachute riggers can use a gun cleaning rod to pull a pull-up cord through a pilot chute, and we can use sports gloves for jumping, things like that. So it's a good idea to look around at other tools, and the Leatherman Z REX is one such tool that I think is excellent for jumpmasters, particularly military jumpmasters, putting people at the back of a C-130 who may need to cut a static line very quickly. It's also a good all-around general purpose rigging tool, and I'm sure could be used for crew jumpers, skydivers in general who want a good solid purpose knife. So let's have a quick look. The knife comes in a MOLLE case. You can see from the back that it's MOLLE compatible. It will attach to a type 17 or type 8 chest strap very easily, adjustable to that, adjustable to a MOLLE backpack or a go bag even. And it can sit very comfortably because it's very, very lightweight, just a few grams if that. Very, very light because it's made of cast aluminium. If we open the case, you can see the tool itself comes out very quickly. If you use the grip here with your small finger and pull the knife out, it's already in your hand, ready to use. You will see that it has a nice grip. The grip is, once your finger is through this hole and your fist is wrapped around this, it's very hard to drop this little device because it's so lightweight. So you have a very secure device in your hand. Taking a quick look at the tool, you can see Leatherman's usual trademark is multi-tools, and this is no exception. There's an oxygen wrench built into the blade. There is a hexagonal wrench here, a glass cutter here, carbide tip glass cutter for shattering windshields or windows, and of course the blade. And the reason it's called the Z REX is if you turn it over, you'll see that the blade itself looks like a Z or a Z, depending on which side of the Atlantic you come from, and the blade is reversible. So if you wear out this particular blade, you can turn it around and use this. You can also buy replacement blades from their website or from dealers. So this is a long-term investment for about $25 US. It's a very, very good piece of kit. One thing that impressed me was the speed of use. Once you have this thing in your hand, it's very, very easy to use. And it comes out of the pouch quickly, and it's available in the back of the C-130. If you've got a jumper in tow, seconds count, milliseconds count. Getting this out and that static line cut can mean the world of difference. I'll put a couple of little videos on the end of here showing it just very quickly in use around the rigging loft. But it's also a handy little rigging tool. You can use it for cutting rubber bands off of bags. It's just a very, very handy little device. And for about $25, as I said, it's an excellent tool to add to your arsenal of Jumpmaster tools, crew jumper tools, general skydiver tools, and even just having handy around the rigging loft for taking things off. So that's it, the Z REX or the Z REX, depending on where you're from, by Leatherman. Great little tool, highly recommended. I'm going to get a couple more.